Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Crochet by Hijabis. Today we are going to make this beautiful rose flower for garland. This beautiful flower process is very easy. To make this beautiful flower, we are using 3 mm crochet hook, a cutter and 3 ply yarn. First of all, we are going to make a slip knot and chain 66. After chaining 66, we are going to skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we are going to make a double crochet. After making a double crochet, 1 chain, and again double crochet in the same chain. In this way we are going to make V stitch. This is our first V stitch. Now again skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we are going to make a V stitch. If you are not know how to make a V stitch, kindly visit my channel Crochet by Hijabi. Again, uh, for making a V stitch, in the same chain we make 2 double crochet with 1 chain. Yeah, very easy and simple. Now again we skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we will make a double crochet, 1 chain, and double crochet in the same chain space. In the same way, on 66 chains we are going to make all V stitch. Double crochet, 1 chain, and double crochet again in the same chain space. Now at the end we have made all the V stitches. Now start round 2. For round 2, chain 3, double crochet in the V stitch. Our first 3 chains will also make a double crochet. So 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in the same V stitch. Now 1, 2 and 3 chains. Again double crochet in the same V stitch. Another double crochet in the same V stitch. Now we can say we have make 2 double crochet, 3 chain and 2 double crochet in the same V stitch. Now we move in the second V stitch. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, 2 double crochet in the next V stitch, 1 chain, 2 chain and 3 chain. Again double crochet in the same V stitch, double crochet in the same V stitch. Again we can say that in one V stitch we are making 4 double crochet with 3 chains, separating chains. In this way we can follow the whole pattern at the end of the first row. We have completed our second round. Now we are moving to third round. For third round, chain 3, flip our work. Now we are going to make 9 double crochet in the 3 chain space. We have made 9 double crochet in the 3 chain space. Now between the skip 2 double crochet and in the one space we are going to make one single crochet. Now we have made one fan. In the next 3 chain space we are going to do 9 double crochet in the same manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, again we have made 9 double crochet. In the next, after 2 double crochet we are going to make a single crochet. In the same manner we will make all 9 double crochet in the 3 chain space at the end of this round. Now we have completed this round. Cut the yarn and tied the terminal end. Now our flower is completed, just one step away. Now we will roll our long strap to make the shape of flower. Look how simple this is and how beautiful it is. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further videos. Hit the like button. Give your beautiful comments or opinions in the comments below. Wow, this is very beautiful. My camera is unable to show its beautiful shape and uh, texture. Yeah, we will use these beautiful flowers in the gajras. Soon there will be a video on my channel for gajra making. So stay tuned with my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, today's project completed. Uh, we will be back with another video, another idea and another tips. So stay tuned with us. um, Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.